welcome to watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 11th. Market analysis. The comprehensive escalation of the trade war and the fall of the published inflation data in the United States have raised the expectation of the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates this year, making the spot gold market bullish. During the day, the spot gold market reached a record high of $3,220.14 per ounce, and the current market trading is around $3,193 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. From the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of $31.87 to $32.22, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,222 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $32.32 to $32.42. If the afternoon market breaks 3,187 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $31.77 to $31.67. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the main rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1249 and 1.1389. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1389 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1450 to 1.1500. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1249 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1200 to 1.1180. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a rising mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a shock stage. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.2966 to 1.3047. If the market breaks 1.3047 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3100 to 1.3140. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2966 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.2900 to 1.2860. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6166 to 0.6257. If the market breaks 0.6257 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6300 to 0.6340. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6166 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6110 to 0.6080. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a main decline mood. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 143.52 to 144.10. If the market breaks 144.10 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.80 to 145.40. If the afternoon market breaks 143.52 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.70 to 142.20. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.20.